All right, here we have it, folks. Dan was kind enough, I'll insert some pictures, but Dan was kind enough to bring the fork truck down last night via escort from the
Sheriff's Department.
Olean Cattaraugus County Sheriff's. So we're here at the shop. You can see. I'm going to do a quick walkthrough. This is what we have so far. We are expecting our CNC lathe to show up today on a flatbed truck. We will be having CarQuest Auto or JNR Auto come with a wrecker to assist in removal, and we will try to get some video of that. Brisk morning. So, yep, here we go. This is where Dan got it stock. Jesus Christ. Look at this. What do you got to say for yourself? Yeah, whatever. Don't care. All right, we got our door open now. Here's the back of our building today. This has got to get cleaned up. That fence there. That fence has to be removed. So we'll let the neighbors know today. And this is what we're dealing with. We're hoping J&R can fit through here with the wrecker first. Or maybe he'll just carry the lathe back through here. I don't know. We're going to have to figure that out when he gets here. But here we are, guys. We got the fork truck in this morning. Just a big open space right now. There it is. There's the first bit of equipment right there. This is our CNC lathe coming from Dayton, Ohio, if you can hear me. A lot of traffic right now. We're going to try to stop traffic so we can get the truck in here. We had J&R Auto nice enough to give us a lift. Give us some help getting her off the truck. So we'll see how this goes. End of day 1, and we close today. We're gonna lathe in somehow. Level her up tomorrow, just preliminary level. We won't be running it for a couple weeks, so we're gonna get a preliminary level so that it doesn't stress the ways. Should be okay tonight. Came with a lot of shit. Some of that shit is useful, but a lot of that shit I think somebody just wanted to get rid of. Turns out the machine skates worked pretty well once we learned how to use them. That's it. We're gonna go through, gonna shut the doors, and call it quits for the night.